Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to create numbered headings and subheadings. Microsoft Word tutorial, here we come. So you want to jump into your document, and you want to just have your cursor hanging there just behind heading. What you want to do now is go over to the paragraph section, and here you will see it looks like a 1, an A, and then a letter. So this is the multi-level list, and you want to use that drop-down menu, and we're going to go down now all the way to define new multi-level list. Here you want to click on the left-hand side the number 1. And then on the right hand side where it says link level to a style, we want to make sure that it says heading 1. And then it says level to show in gallery. We want to make sure that this is also level 1. And then as we go down at the bottom over here, the alignment we want to make sure that this is 0, and then the text indent and this must be 1 centimeter. Then over here, number style for this level, we want to make sure that it is on 1, 2, 3, so it's using numbers. And then it says enter formatting for number, and here you want it to be 1 and a period sign, so 1 dot. So from here you want to go ahead and on the left hand side at the top of this window, under the click level to modify, you want to select number 2, and now we're going to define how the subheading looks. You want to use the link level to style heading 2, and then the level to show in gallery, we want level 1. Again, coming down here, the enter formatting for number, we want to make sure that this is 1.1, so 1.1, and then the number style for this level, it must be 1, 2, 3, and the alignment we want at 0 centimeters, and the text indent we want 0 centimeters. And then the last setting is include level number from, and we want to go and use this drop down menu and just select number 1. Okay, so that's great. And just make sure that this enter formatting for number does not include another number. Okay, once we're done, we're going to go ahead and tap on OK. You will see now that our heading is in blue, and it has a number to it. Now, once you put your cursor by the subheading, you can see up at the top of your toolbar under styles, the heading 2 1.1 will give you that 1.1. Now, this subheading over here, we want to do the same. And once we tap on that heading 2, you will see that it makes it 1.2. And you can carry on doing this as you please. So let's say this over here we want as a creative the creative process a heading 1, and so forth. You're going to go ahead and you can do as you please. If this is helpful, drop us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.